See this guy right here? Recognize him? Yeah, that's me a year ago. I was running a systems improvement consultancy, and the way that we were delivering our main services to our clients was broken, and it was impacting our team and our customers negatively. And so I decided to do something about it. So I brought out my trusty legal, and I started drafting out all the different stages that our projects currently go through. I was able to see where the pain points were, what we were missing. I was able to take customer feedback and internal team feedback, jot it all out, and get the first version together of what our new end-to-end customer journey looked like. From here, I took it into Lucid charts. I showed my team. There were iterations, there were comments. From there, we took it into Miro. We had more iterations, more meetings, more comments, and we finally were able to produce a new end-to-end cycle for our customers that not only provides clarity for our team and our customers, but it also improves our efficiency and our bottom line, costing us less on all these redundant processes and systems. So again, I cannot stress the importance enough of improving your processes by taking the time to dissect how you work and simply asking the question, is there a better way that we can do this?